Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, we're going to complete the create section tools. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial without doing any delays. In the previous videos, I explained the pattern designs, but it didn't explain the mirror. So in this video, I explain about it and also the thickness and also the boundary fill, create base feature, and PCB. Okay. I will not go in deeply about with the PCP. I will explain about these only tools and explain the basic things about it. Okay, let's jump to the first one. That is mirror. You know already about it how to work with the mirror. It's just going to create a mirror of this. Okay, it is asking it will ask the plane which side you want to mirror, just like it. And go. It will create a mirror objects or mirror features depends upon what body you want. Okay, that is how to work with the mirror tool. And we have the boundary fill. Boundary fill is nothing but a guys, it works like uh, a boolean tool, which means if you want to just like when the two bodies are connected together, and if you want to remove the particular section when they combine, so and you want to make a new part with them, so in the in the in the time of point, this boundary fill is going to work useful. So let me show you the example. Here we have a sphere and a cube, but they are not combined to each other. Here you can see they are not combined. They are separate tools. Here when I click on the reference, it will also shows. Okay. Now I'm going to use the cell tool. If you want to use the point tool, we need two parts at the minimum. Okay. Sell this tool and sell the sphere also. And it is showing the three square boxes if you clearly observe it. Okay. When click on cell, it is asking which part you want to keep or which we want to remove. You can clearly understand when you click on the particular tick button, that part will going to be removed and the other part is going to be stay. Okay. Let's for example, I just want to remove this square. Okay, wait. I just want to remove this outer sphere. When you click on it, and it's asking remove tools. Remove tools means we are working with the body 8 and 10, and you don't want to keep them in future again. In that time, you can sell this remove tools. Okay, and let's for example, just for now, click on it and now click OK. Now you can see. Oh, sorry, I explained in the reverse. The only tick part will be stay, and other part will be removed. Okay, let's edit this feature again. Now untick this one and I want to keep this one. So click on OK. The other part will be removed. Let's re-edit it again. And I just want to, even you can select multiple parts. If you want to keep and just want to keep, don't want to keep this. Okay. Now click OK. But you can't able to see. So for that, let's click on inspect button. Here you can see this section analysis. Click on it. If you want to see the section view, you can do like this. And here you can see there is a halo shape. You can clearly observe that the unchecked body is going removed. Only the checked bodies will be staying. Okay. In this way, you can perform work with the boundary field very easily. Okay. You might think that you can also perform the body operations, but the difference is there, guys. Let me explain you about it. I'm just going to undo this tool and select the combine tool and select the bodies. if you get removed, if the other part will be removed. If you get inspect, the combination of both bodies part will be stay. But you can't able to select which part you want to be there. But with Bountiful, we have that flexibility. That is the difference between the combines and Bountiful tool in fusion resisting. And it will be useful when you perform the mold creations in CAD. Okay, that time it will be very useful for you. I hope you might understand the concept how to work with this boundary fill tool and mirror tool. And we have the thickness. I should forgot. Thickness tool is actually in the Onshape. The thickness will tool either work with the solid surfaces also. But here in Fusion, the thickness is only work with the surfaces only. It will not with the solid. So when you perform, it's not working. So if thickness is not working, what you going to use? In the modify section, we have a toolbar press P. Okay, when you press P, it's going to work like a move tool, which means sorry, thickness tool. Okay, if you sell let's sell this ways, like this you can perform it. And we have the modify existing feature that's also available. Okay, this way you can thickness that too. And create base feature. What does this mean? This create base feature is nothing but just like you're going to perform the editing operations of the uh, in the CAD, but the timeline will not be recorded. So let's for example, let's create this and see we got a different interface and it's also showing the base like this. Okay, so you can perform whatever operations you want. If you want to read extrude, just like any body, let's join and click OK. And if you want to perform create operations, you can also do that. Okay. If you want to do camper, you can also do that. Like this, you can do any operations you want. After the turn of the operations, just select finish base picture. And the timelines will not be recorded, but only the base picture is selected. So when you can perform this operation is when you want to just like a history, like in Onshape, how you can maintain the histories when perform the particular tools. Like this way, you can create different type of histories and save them inside it. Okay, then it will be very useful for flexibility and the customization without any doubts. Okay, that is how to work with here. And we have another one is PCB. Uh, in Fusion 360, it is available to create PCBs as per you want. You don't need to pay for this. Okay, actually, when you create on PCB, we have create associated PCB independent PCB. Associated means derive sketch from this design to a 3D PCB design, which means you already have the sketch. From the sketch, you can get the PCB design, or else you can create your own PCB just like doing other operations. Let me show the how does it works. Derive requires saved source design. Please say, okay, based on this design, the PCB is going to be created. For example, just for example, I'm just going to say this, create associated PCB. It want to save and continue. Click OK. Now it is asking the profile. So we don't have the sketch. Left side the body. Sell the left side the front plane where the sketch will be guys. Okay. Sell the sketch. Origin will be this. One thing should be sys, x-axis should be x. Click OK. Now we're going to now we are directed to the new PCB interface, which means you already have the components, you can work with it. But as a mechanical engineer, I don't know how to work with the PCB design. But if you are an electrical engineer, if you want to create a PCB designs, you can work with it. Okay, this is how you can use the already has sketch. If you already have the plan sketch, you can import the sketch into Fusion and use the sketch and create a PCB design. Or else, if you don't want to work with it, let's it create a new tab. You can observe it. Just jump to the new tab, click on create, click on PCB, and we want to independent. If you want also independent, that's like a same. We need to the axis, select the axis, and select the X direction, and click. In this way, also you can perform the sketches, PCB design. I hope you might understand, guys, what I wanted to teach you. I don't want to save it. I don't want to save it. Okay. I hope you might understand what I am trying to teach you and be successfully completed the create section tools solid. And in the future, I will explain the whole tools without lying with every video. Okay. And it will be useful and understanding for you guys. That's all I wish to discuss in this video topic. I hope you might understand. And if you like it, please do like, share, subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching.